To link a menu to a page in Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the Wix editor. The Wix editor is a user-friendly interface that allows you to design and customize your website. Once you are in the editor, click on the menu option located on the top bar. This will open the menu settings where you can create and manage your menu. In the menu settings, you will see a list of existing pages on your website. To link a menu item to a page, click on the Add Item button and select the page you want to link to from the drop-down list. You can also create a new page by clicking on the Create New Page button. If you want to link a menu item to an external website or a specific section on a page, you can do so by clicking on the Add Item button and selecting the URL option. Enter the URL of the external website or the anchor link of the section on the page you want to link to. To organize your menu, you can create sub-menus by dragging and dropping menu items under a parent menu item. You can also reorder menu items by dragging and dropping them to the desired position. Once you have set up your menu, click on the Save button to save your changes. You can then preview your website to test your menu links. It is a good practice to test all your menu links to ensure they are working correctly and to prevent any broken links. Linking a menu to a page in Wix is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and using the Wix editor, you can create a user-friendly and functional menu that enhances the navigation of your website. Remember to keep your menu simple and easy to use, and to test all your menu links to ensure they are working correctly.